That's what I said. Let's go. Texas Motor Speedway.
Monster edition.
I've seen that. I already got a good video. That thing looks sick. Woo! Nice cars for this year, huh? Sick. When these things tear off, they go in about like 2.5 seconds with their big engines. Because I've been to a drag strip before. I've seen these things in action. They're no joke.
You have drove?
No, I haven't drove one, but I've seen them. I've seen them in action, in person.
Okay.
Texas Motor Speedway, I've seen that in person before.
Which one?
The GT.
The GTR. Oh, the GT, sorry.
I've actually seen both of those, actually. The GTR, too.
Amazing.
Let's say I've been around places.
Have a good day.
You too, sir. You too.